Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video we will create a part model of displayed geometry. Here the geometry have 140 mm length and 85 mm width. To create this model, first we will create a sketch in YZ plane and then we will extrude it of 85 mm. So, and select sketch. Here select YZ plane, click on OK. First we will create one rectangle. Give it dimensions of 140 mm and height of 18 mm. Now we will create a sketch of this region. So for that, draw one line of 38 mm and we'll create two circles. Create one circle here and one circle here. Here the diameters are 14 and 55. So go to rapid dimension, enter here 40, and for this enter here 55. Now give this dimension 20. This dimension will be 100 and this will be 50. Now you will draw this circular section of 25 mm radius. So for that, draw two lines over here. Now go to fillet command, select these two lines, enter radius 25. And create one line tangent to this circle. Now give this dimension. Our sketch is fully constrained. Now finish the sketch. Here this rectangular section have 85 mm of width, so we'll extrude it of 85 mm, and this section have a 12 mm of width. So go to extrude command. Here select this region, enter 85 mm, click on apply, and now select this region, enter here 12, here select unite, click on apply. Here this circular section have a 30 mm of length and this circular section have a 36 mm of length. So select this region, enter here 30, click on apply. Now select this region, in start value enter -12 and in distance 24, click on apply. Now we'll create these two holes of 30 mm and 18 mm. So for that, go to hole command, select the center of circle, enter here 30 mm, click apply. Now select this center, enter here 18, click on apply. Now we will create these two holes on this face. So for that, select this face. Here the distance of this hole is 35 and here is 30. So enter the dimensions over here, 30, and this will be 35. Now finish the sketch. Enter the diameter 16 mm, click on apply. Now we will create the same hole at 70 mm distance to this direction. So we'll use pattern feature. Select this hole. In vector select this direction. In count enter 2. In pitch distance enter 70. Click on apply. So the hole will be generated. Now we'll create this 3 mm slot. So for that, create a sketch on XZ plane. Create one rectangle. Give the dimensions. Here 18. Here also 18. And the thickness will be 3 mm. So finish the sketch. Now go to extrude. Now select this region. Here reverse the direction. Enter value 0 and in end value select until next. And in boolean select subtract. Click on apply. So our model is completed. Now we will hide the sketches and planes and change the object color. Thank you friends. If you like this video then please subscribe to C4CAD.